Welcome guys to another video. I'm Nair, and this video is a chug video. I think this is going to be coming out next Monday. This is being filmed on a Wednesday actually. Or no. Thursday. I think. Bruh. But nope, it is Wednesday. I am stupid. But yeah, this is probably gonna come out whatever, but I'm gonna be chugging Baja Gold because I did a review and now gonna have to do it for the thing, so like gotta do a chug. I'm gonna do this, so let's get into it. Let's not do that. Let's get into this. I swear, bro, the cookies are gonna go stale. I want it shut right. See, now I'm going a little. I have to do this fast, like no matter what, because I feel like the last one, the Baja Blast, which you guys will see, actually posted today, it's just way too whatever. Like I did it way too slow. I like did it too strategic. I have to do it pretty quickly. So it's technically still a chug and it's quick enough. Still chug and stuff, so. About halfway. A little under halfway. Feeling the pressure already started. By the way, if you haven't tried this, you should definitely try it. This is very good. You can go to the review that I did, see my review, see my opinion on this. This is a pineapple drink, and this is my favorite pineapple drink, and I don't really like pineapple. But yeah, let's continue. I can get this done, and it is done pretty quickly. A full burp coming. Trying to like breathe, and maybe that'll stop the burp from coming. Not much left. This is actually not that cold. I waited a pretty long time to do this, so this is actually not cool at all. It's so painful, bro. It's just, I feel like I'm gonna like throw up. There's too much pressure in my stomach. It's so close to being finished too. I have to at least finish the drink. A fart doesn't count. Just farted. Luckily it was silent. I don't know. I know you don't care about that, but it's funny to know. That's not a burp, so I can do it. I feel like I have to roll. Oh my god. I'm struggling through this. Just like this last bit is so hard. I push through, I need to push through. I really want to burp right now. Like, I need to. My stomach hurts so bad. Dang it! Oh. I just failed, guys. I just burped twice. It all came out. See you guys in this video. I failed. Like, subscribe, turn notification on, share, at least one friend, comment down below. Yeah. See you guys in this video. Peace.